just smoked that coyote. That happened pretty quick. Just finished my calling. Wasn't even a minute probably. This coyote came in below me, stopped down in front of me about 50 yards, gave me a perfect broadside shot, and I just flattened him. Looks like he's got a real nice coat on him too, so we'll go down there and take a look at him. Well, here it is, and it's a big one. Holy cow. Great big male, beautiful color to him. This thing is huge. You know, for around here, they usually don't get this big. This is a really big coyote for around here. And he's just got a beautiful color to him. I think I'll take that one home, skin it out, and get it tanned and put it on the wall.